So let's dish out our soup for our mukbang. Yay! This is egusi soup with spinach. Wow, it's so yummy. Looking yummy already. I'm going to devour it soon. So today I'll be cooking delicious egusi soup with spinach. I have a 2 cups of spinach here, and this spinach is going to be simple one. I have my mackerel already cut and cleaned. I have my dry already washed. I add my dry fish, and I have also this meat. So I have my chopped onions. I'll go ahead to parboil my ingredients. I added my chopped onions and a little bit salt. I'll go ahead to add my cube seasoning for taste. Okay, you can skip it if you don't want cube. So I will shake it. shake it. I'll add a little bit of water, and I'll cover to cook. I'll go ahead to blend my egusi with my speed blender. My speed blender right here. So let's blend our egusi and get it ready. And I will go ahead also to chop or cut my spinach. Today I want to cook egusi soup with spinach, and I'm going to add this 2 packs of spinach. Today is going to be like a vegetable soup, but not like much. Okay, this spinach is going to vanish away very soon. Okay, and I have here my ogiri okpe. As you know, I came back with ogiri okpe. I'm going to add it too. So keep watching. Don't forget to like and share and give me a comment, right? And keep watching. I see there's a poto limit. Now we're going to remove our fish. Our fish is done. We don't want our fish to get spoiled. We go ahead to take it out. Mackerel, my favorite fish. Today. So actually I don't need to use this spoon, but I'm taking it easy so I don't crack or scratch or spoil my pot. My hand cut. Yeah, I think I'm done. So this is my fish. What I got here. So we add our red oil. We add our crayfish. I want to add my crayfish earlier today so that the taste is going to come out before I can add my egusi and the spinach. So cover it again to cook for some minutes. Yay, my egusi is done. Yay. So I want to add small water to make it let's make it soft before we can add it. Let's mix it once again. You can go for this speed blender. This is awesome. It's awesome, guys. So let me put my pepper and let me add also a small this, like I have let me add all of them. at the same time and blend. I want it to make it a little bit thicker. So as it is now, I think it is okay. Yeah, it's done. This is how I want it to be. So I go ahead to remove the blade. Easier, so that this will not harm you. Okay, the blade is so sharp that if you don't take it easy, you're going to harm yourself. So look at my egusi. Look at how this speed blended did judgment to this egusi. It's cooking. So I'll go ahead to add my ogiri. This ogiri, I have two containers of ogiri here. So I will now begin to add my egusi ogiri. Hey, this is my ogiri. I want it to melt faster. Okay, let me let it soak. Okay. So because I don't want it to stay one place, so this is going to melt gradually as this is cooking. Okay, now I'll go ahead to add my egusi. Try things today. I am cooking it like this natural egusi soup. That tastes more good and more healthy. Yeah, so a little bit close, then allow it to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Then we're coming back soon to see how it looks like. Okay, so let's see how our egusi is cooking. Wow, our egusi is cooking so oh my goodness. Okay, oh my goodness, look at it. I don't want this to have much lumps. A little bit lump is okay. Okay, and this is how I want it now. I will go ahead to add my veggies, my spinach. Okay, I've already chopped my squash and I'll chop my spinach. I'll go ahead to add it now and cover it to steam for some minutes. Okay, I told you initially that I am cooking egusi with spinach. The spinach is going to be like a little bit more, but not too much. Translate English for me. A little bit more, but not too much. Okay, so now as it's like this, I will go ahead to give it a little bit stir. Allow the veggies to go in. Allow the veggies to go in. I see some people go and make their spinach remove the water. I say, what are you going to eat then? If you remove the spinach water, you're eating only the chaff, or like the fiber of the spinach. You don't need to do that. You don't need to remove it. Okay, just make sure you don't add too much water, because you know that the spinach is going to bring water for you. So make your soup not to be too much water, not to have much water. When you add it, then the spinach will bring out its water, and that will be how you're going to see it. So now I add my mackerel, the one we removed before. I have 2 plates here. So okay, you guys know the purpose of removing the spinach and the mackerel, so that it will not just spoil our soup. Now I will now stir it a little bit this way. Yeah, then I will cover it for 2-3 minutes, highest 5 minutes. Then allow it to stir that. Then you bring it down. Okay, now I will cover it again, and I will show you the outcome soon. Get your fufu, get whatever you're going to use to eat this our delicious, and we're going to eat together today. So go to my mukbang channel. There I'm going to show you what I'm going to eat with it there. Okay, thank you for watching. You're going to see the outcome soon. So after 4 minutes, we are going to stir it. Okay, look at it. If you want it to be a little bit thicker, go ahead to use your cocoyam a little bit. But mine, I want it to be this way. I want my soup to have a little bit water like this, so that when eating, you have to be licking some water and soup together. So let me see, taste it, if it's okay. So yummy, delicious. You need a small salt. Just stir it after adding the water and salt. Stir it and off the light. Allow the steam to cook the salt, okay? And this is the outcome of our egusi with spinach soup, African soup. Okay, and this is very healthy. Let me know if you're going to try it in the comment section. Don't forget to support me with the like if you like it, and also give me a comment in the comment section. Love you, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so by now. I love you. Take care of yourself. I up the stove. It is done, guys. Bye. Love you.